Sandifer. I am a sales engineer for Hexagon in our metrology devices division. So Hexagon is a global supplier in measurement technology, right? So specializing in productivity and metrology solutions in manufacturing. Yeah, so today we've got just kind of a sample of devices that we usually get into with metrology. So this is a one cog in the wheel of a metrology device portfolio ranging from full granite CMMs to portable arms to Leica laser trackers to structured light scanners. And what we've got here today is actually one of our handheld scanners called a Marvel Scan.
My name is Christian Jewell. I'm a special project supervisor here at Hexagon, and I work on the production software team for ESPRIT EDGE CAM software. Yeah, so what's really great about working with Okuma particularly is we have access to all of their machines, and that helps us with what our software really does, which is cover every single CNC machine configuration in one single software. That means if you have a milling machine, a turning machine, mill turn, and when I say mill turn, I'm talking Okuma Multus, I'm talking LT with multiple turrets, multiple spindles, all the really cool stuff. All that's configured in one software with the ESPRIT EDGE software. It's one user interface to program any of the machines that Okuma offers here on the shop floor.
So that relationship's a pretty natural workflow, right? So what we'll get into in a minute is another side of Hexagon that partners with Okuma from a production software standpoint, right? So looking at that machine, and the customer's next step is quality equipment, right? So it's a pretty natural progression of the conversations between the same customer base.
So the really nice thing that the customer gets on the end is support. If they're reaching out to either us at ESPRIT CAM software through Hexagon, or they're reaching out to Okuma, they're getting multiple resources dedicated to helping them get to their answers faster, how to automate their workflows faster. They have multiple minds working together on the back end to solve their issues and accelerate them into the next generation of manufacturing.